birthday. I did not turn on the camera expecting to weep. I told Bradley I want biscuits and gravy and I want sunflowers. We are having a party in the backyard. So today is like hella prep day. My dream was to have like a sit down, one long table dinner party, and I think we're going to be able to achieve it. Your ass is completely eating your shorts. Party time! Look at this. I thought I would give you a little birthday haul, but I picked up some of the fresh skincare from Lush. Let's have a Halloween bath. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a blurry Vlogtober. There we go. Today is Friday the 11th. Tomorrow is my 35th birthday and we are having a party in the backyard. We haven't done that here yet. Well, that's not true. That's not true at all. We've had 2 parties for Milo, but my dream was to have like a sit down, one long table dinner party, and I think we're going to be able to achieve it. So today is like hella prep day. Bradley is off all day, has no work, no lessons. The only thing I have today is a nail appointment. Gotta get my nails done because they are heinous. But other than that, it is prep city. So we've already been like tidying. The upstairs looks really good, I guess, besides the unmade bed. And also I'm hoping nobody comes upstairs, but just in case. We tidied up here, but we're like trying to deep clean downstairs. I did the dining room, it looks great. I need to dust like the living room, and of course the kitchen will get messy today as we are prepping most of the food today. We're doing like pasta bakes. I just wanted something really easy that we could prep ahead and just throw in the oven so that we're not like stressed about dinner. So it's gonna be pasta bakes, salads, and then like appetizers, bread. Just like my favorite is Italian, so yeah, I just want like rigatoni with pink sauce. That's my dream. So yeah, we're going to cook everything, chop as much as I can today, probably like wash the lettuce, get it all ready. So yeah, we are off right now to go to the store to get all the food and also pick up some tables at Bradley's work. Is very kindly letting us borrow. Our neighbors let us borrow some tables and chairs, so I really think we're gonna be able to pull this off. So very excited. I don't have tablecloths. Gonna see if Bradley's work has some we can borrow. If not, I don't know. But yeah, here we go. Hi guys. Later on now, she's so blurry all the time. We went to the store. It is later on. I just got my nails done. The pasta has been made, which I'll show you that in a little bit. But right now we are heading outside to set up the tables to make sure we have enough tablecloth, enough tables, enough everything to seat everybody. Which I don't think we're going to, but Bradley thinks we will. Oh my God, it's so bright. We have borrowed tables from neighbors, Bradley's work. Everybody's so generous. All right, we got the table set up. We're gonna scrounge around for some more chairs around here, or my brother has some to bring. But we did move the big bench over here, which we figured the kids can sit on, so it'll sit 4. We just might be sitting on top of each other, but that's fine. Bradley's just trying to charge up solar lights that need 3 days to charge to work, but hopeful.
But that's for like full performance. We don't need full performance. We could do with half.
But I'd love to hang some in the tree if we can. And now I am going to cut some zinnias from my zinnia jungle for some of the flower arrangements. Oh my goodness. The praying mantis is here. The praying mantises are mating. Do you see? Do you see them?
God.
These 2 praying mantises are having sex. I'm filming the miracle of life, son. Happy Saturday.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. It is my birthday. I am 35 today.
The big 40!
Why could I like cry saying that?
It's a big deal.
Why am I emotional? I did not turn on the camera expecting to weep. Let me gather myself here. It 35 seems like a big deal. I can't get it together. Getting older is a privilege, not a right. I'm grateful and I'm crying. But I'm gonna get it together. We're packing up. I told Bradley I want biscuits and gravy and I want sunflowers. So we're gonna go to my favorite spot near the farmer's market that has what I have found to be the best biscuits and gravy in California. If you don't know, I have Southern parents, so I spent a lot of time in the South growing up, and even now they split their time between here and North Carolina. My favorite in North Carolina is in a place called Davidson called Toast. They have the best biscuits and gravy, but there's a place near the farmer's market that we enjoy. I'll show you. the biscuits and gravy. But again, I'm still weird about eggs, so I guess I'm gonna have biscuits and gravy for dinner on my birthday, then probably need a nap. But yeah, we're gonna go do that, go to the farmer's market. My sister's gonna meet us, maybe my sister-in-law, I'm not sure. But yeah, we're gonna do that. We're feeling in pretty good shape for the party. I've made all the flowers, I'll show you later. Gonna set up the table. But yeah, feeling grateful to be 35. So grateful I cried. Okie doke, we are home. Don't mind Party Central behind me. A bunch of the party stuff. I did throw up my hair because we're home. It's time to get cracking on tidying, whatever we can get done. But I did get my sunflowers, which they always have so many choices. They have like the dark centered. Today they had ones that were like orangey yellow, but I just went for the ones I got last time because they've lasted like a full week and I just love them. And I'm gonna put them in my very favorite vase, which I'll show you. This eye vase. This is old from Anthropology, but it is my very favorite vase. And I'm gonna leave them inside, I think. You love your Poochie? Yeah, I just love the way the yellow looks with the gold. Did you burp?
Yeah.
Thank you for excusing yourself. And then there's a little bath bomb store that we love nearby, and they always have the cutest hand towels. You have to excuse Milo just running in circles. They have the cutest seasonal hand towels. I always go in. I got my mom some really cool ones for Christmas last year. Look at this, isn't this so cute? And Bradley and I yesterday were saying how we need more like actual like bathroom guest towels, not dish towels, because I bought, but we were just saying that yesterday and now I have one for the party tonight. Like how cute is that? So yeah, I'm going to put my flowers in the vase and then get cracking somewhere. Okay guys, it's a little bit later. Milo's napping, so I'm whispering a little bit, but I am about to head out and decorate the table. I'm gonna lay everything out, but then I'm gonna bring the flowers back inside until it's not, like, the sun's not beaming on the table. I did put my sunflowers in a vase. They're so pretty, but then look at all the little flower arrangements I made last night. I have some taller ones, some shorter ones. I did buy a lot of flowers at Trader Joe's, but the zinnias I did grow, so that's exciting. But yeah, I want the table to be really colorful and lots of pumpkins and candlesticks, and I'm really excited to go decorate. So let's go do it. You guys, I am truly so pleased with this. So I didn't even explain. We weren't trying to spend a bunch of money on this party. We, as I said, borrowed everything, the tables, the chairs, the tablecloths, so it's like a mix match of things. I did put this round tablecloth that we have just because we had a white tablecloth and then a blue, and just to mix it together I added this floral one, which I actually like the way it looks. I think it looks cute. But I am so pleased with how this turned out. So I just kind of did an arrangement of pumpkin candle, pumpkin flowers, pumpkin candle, pumpkin flowers, as you can see. And it goes all the way down. My brother, I believe, is bringing another table and more chairs. So I will just continue the effect down the line, but I love it and I am so excited. I'll try to get a shot tonight when it's like in the dusk and the candles are lit. And by the way, Bradley did hang some lights and they did charge enough that they were like, you can't even see. Can you see? Bradley hung some lights and they charged enough last night to have a little bit of light, so it'll be lovely either way. And then he's gonna, when he gets home, he had to go to hockey for a little bit, he's going to put more up in the tree. But yeah, I am just delighted with how that turned out. I am gonna take the flowers back inside just for another couple hours and then I'll bring them back out. But I love and I'm so excited. Your ass is completely eating your shorts right now. I finally found a place to wear the pink bubble dress. People are coming. I'm gonna send my sister out with the vlog camera to get shots of everything because I didn't. Loading up the fridge with cocks. Got the cocks. Party time!
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mario.
Can you give her a kiss?
Good morning, everybody. It is day after the party. You want to say hey? Say hey.
Hey.
It is the day after the party. Things are not looking too bad in here. I feel like people were pretty tidy, and Bradley was lovely and did a lot of dishes last night, but we did use like paper plates, which I'm against in like everyday life, but for a party it's just necessary. And we used compostable ones and all that, but I don't know, the cleanup's not that bad. Of course, there's stuff to tidy away and all that, but the party was fantastic. I had such a good time. I didn't vlog at all, which I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. I was just having a good time. Dinner was fantastic. It was all great. I loved it. And now we're all just exhausted. Except Milo. Milo is thriving, but Bradley is exhausted. Bradley really ran the show last night, so thanks, babe. He's watching football. I am gonna go to Target really quick. I have been trying so hard the past, I didn't go yesterday, but the 3 days before that, trying the dollar spot every day in search of the damn Christmas bow candle holder. So many of you sent the reel to me of like people showing them, and I've seen so many reels. It's coming out, just I need to keep checking. So I'm going right now. I have a couple returns as well. But yeah, I'm gonna run to Target. It's still, well, it's not as early as I thought. It's almost 9, so hopefully it won't be too busy yet. But do that, then we'll tidy up around here. I'll give you a little birthday haul later because I did get some nice, lovely gifts. And yeah, just a chill, tidying, cozy Sunday. Major success at Target with the bows, but also major success in the dollar spot. But you're gonna have to wait till the Christmas haul. But I did want to say, we picked up a box of these for the party, and in the past, like, I feel like nobody cares about some mini quiche. Oh, Ludo cares about it. Get down, buddy. I care a lot about mini quiche, but I always have it at parties and nobody touches it. So I got just one thing of this for the party, and we got some other like Trader Joe's frozen things, but these were so good and they went so quick. And one of them is mushroom and bell pepper, my 2 favorite vegetables. So I picked up some more of those. I want them immediately, but just like in the appetizer section at Target, and they're delicious. Hi friends, we're in the dining room. I'm kind of whispering because Milo's trying to fall asleep, and it's kind of like a direct shot up there. This is a lovely background though, with the plant and the wallpaper. But all my birthday presents are in here, and before we lose light, I thought I would give you a little birthday haul. My friend Javier is a makeup artist. He works for Sephora, so I knew when he brought me a gift it was gonna be fun makeup. I've heard so much about these but never tried them. These are the Summer Fridays, like the butter balm. This is the Mini Neutrals Lip Butter Balm set. And I looked up swatches because at first I was like, I don't know about these colors on me, but the swatches, I think they might actually work. So I don't know if this is like a holiday set, but I'm really excited to try. Mostly just because I've heard so many good things about them, or like seen so many good things about them on TikTok and Instagram. He got me a Peace Perfume Discovery set, which you guys know I love perfume, so I cannot wait to sniff those. And what I'm most excited about is this Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize Volume Mascara. I don't think I've ever tried a Charlotte Tilbury mascara. Oh my God, the packaging is so much fun. Like, that is so fun. I don't want to open it yet because I want to open it like the day I want to try it, but I am so excited to try it. So thank you, Javier. My lovely friend Hoopty got me some makeup-y things as well. She got me this Real Techniques 2-in-1 powder puff, which I have been curious about this, but I've never purchased it. Pink side is for powders, and then the orange side is for liquids, concealers, creams. So I am very excited to try that. She got me these, she knows I have thick hair. She got me these thick hair, just like longer claw clips, which I don't have any of these. I just have a bunch of short ones, and I've been wanting to try, and I actually love these 2 colors. She knows me so well, and I like that they're neutral and will like match with everything, so I cannot wait to try these. We'll see if they keep my hair in place. And then what I'm most excited about is this Chocolata blush palette from Benefit. So this is a blush palette with the formula of blushes I know I love. I love the shade Butterfly. I'll put in a picture. It's like the orangey one, and this palette actually has 2 of the shades I've been wanting to try, so it like works out really, really nicely. Like, how cute is this? And like, just perfect for your makeup bag. You get the shades Dandelion, Shelly, and Cherry. So here they are. Like, how perfect and fun is this? Like, for my skin tone, I think this will be really nice. It's a really nice, sleek package, and like I said, I know I love this formula, so I'm sure I'll love the colors as well. So I am just so excited about that. My sister-in-law went into Five Below for the first time, and she texted me, she's like, have you been in here? And I was like, yes, it's very fun. And she's like, is there anything you're looking for? And I was like, I'm dying for the cake face. And she found me one. How freaking cool is this? It looks like an elaborate, like Marie Antoinette style cake, but it's a vase or like a planter, and I love the color. It comes in pink as well, but I actually wanted this color. And how perfect is it in here with the pink and the blue? I just think the detail is so much fun, and I am delighted. And then she also got me some more fun stuff. I don't think I've seen this shelf in this color, but this fun flower shelf. You guys know I have their cloud shelves in my office, so this will probably go in my office as well. And then she got me this fun daisy side table. These are super cute. I think my sister has this one or one like it, and she said it's really easy to assemble. So how freaking cute is that? Like, oh. I also got some lovely gift cards, some flowers, some Trader Joe's goodies. And so I do not expect gifts. I love them, but I don't expect them. And I just felt so spoiled and loved. So thank you, if any of you are watching, thank you for my lovely gifts. And Bradley got me AirPods. I have like the very first AirPods that ever came out, and they don't last for more than 5 minutes, even if they're fully charged. So that's something we were gonna probably buy me anyway, because I do use them. I use them quite a bit. Like with my anxiety, I just find that having music to pop in my ears will help me if I'm like getting my nails done, out and about doing things, call somebody on the phone, like exercising. I just like the AirPods. And Bradley has the noise canceling ones, and he was like, they're life-changing, we gotta get them for you. So he got them for me for my birthday. Those are upstairs. I need to set them up. I'm really excited about them, but yeah, a little birthday haul. It's about 8 o'clock now, and I am going to have a little pamper sesh. I'm actually gonna obviously take a bath, but I picked up some of the fresh skincare from Lush. So I've loved this the past 2 years. It's the Mr. Pumpkin Face Fresh Face Mask. This stuff is amazing. It's got like stuff like granules or something in it, so that when you rub it, wash it off, it like exfoliates your face. And my skin just really likes pumpkin, and I love this mask. So you keep this in the fridge. It lasts for about 3 weeks, I think. So I've tried this before and I love it. But something new are these really cute boo-tiful eye masks, eye pads as they call them. So I'll show them to you on, I'm gonna film a little short form video about them too. But they're just little like under eye masks, kind of like the bat ones that I used in the last vlog. But I love a good under eye mask, and these are chilled in the fridge, so I'm excited, and it'll just be fun. I will show you here, but like I said, I'm gonna film a short form video, and I'll link it up in the corner so you can like see my full review. But I'm going to slap these on, run myself a bath, and enjoy a bath now that it's finally cool enough to take baths. I haven't tried any of the new Halloween stuff for Lush this year, so let's have a Halloween bath. I am so tired. I'm on the edge of sleep. And I remembered I haven't ended this vlog. Those ghost under eye things, spoiler alert, terrible. Don't buy them. Do yourself a favor. My eyes, like, I'm so tired. But yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Week 2 of Vlogtober ended up being a little birthday vlog, which is fun. But tomorrow's Monday, so I'll start week 3 of Vlogtober. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.